With forklifts being essential in many industries, we traveled to Canada and visited Liftow Limited. As a leading partner for forklift and material handling solutions since 1960, Liftow Limited is known for their reliability, excellent service, and quality products.
Liftow Group of Companies is the largest Toyota forklift dealer in North America, with just over 700 associates and 25 branch locations in Canada and the U.S. The products and services that we offer are new and used equipment, automation solutions, service, planned maintenance programs, long and short-term rentals, parts, an e-commerce parts store, safety products, and health and safety training.
What makes Liftow such a unique and amazing company? Well, first and foremost, I would say it starts with our people. We hire good people, and then we give them the space to develop personally and professionally, and we also have lots of fun as a team. So when you have people who are well trained and motivated, they take that expertise and that motivation and positivity out into the field and offer a great level of customer service.
Providing their clients with the most exceptional products imaginable, Liftow provides new and used equipment.
For over 40 years now, Liftow has sold Toyota product to customers across Canada. We sell 2,000-pound capacities up to 100,000-pound capacities for all different applications. We sell sit-down, stand-up, walk-behind, and we sell electric, and we sell internal combustion engine-powered equipment.
And with parts and service and even training, Liftow stands out because of their amazing team.
Our employees are the best in the industry, and they are the key to our success. We have Toyota certified technicians who are passionate about their customer service, and a diverse group of employees who contribute to our success and culture.
Being Canada's largest training provider for forklift, crane, and aerial platform courses, as well as a bunch of other health and safety courses, there's a lot of reasons why people choose us, but trust being the most fundamental reason.
Our trusted expertise of being in business for over 60 years. Our small branch model so that we can be close and local to our customers to provide the best customer service. And our partner Toyota, the market leader, known for their quality, reliability, durability, and overall value. And our associates who give an exemplary service every day to our customers.
Dedicated to their clients, Liftow Limited is one of the world's greatest.